Hey friends, Andrew here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your task in your calendar on Google Calendar. Now, the first thing you want to do is to ensure that if you want to see the task on a day or a week or a month basis. So let's say I want to see it on a monthly basis. I want to switch that. Now, what you want to do is to look for some task in your calendar. So these can be how you set them. That could be something in blue. So for example, mine, it is set in blue, and you can see as well that it has a checkbox or check mark here that means that this is a current task. Now, the next thing that you want to do is ensure that you look towards the left hand side and you can see that task is checked. In case task is not checked, guys, then you want to ensure that you have this box checked so that you're able to see the task. Now, to get a quick glance of all tasks, not other invites or other events that's going on in your calendar, but only tasks, if you look towards the upper right hand side, you will see two buttons here. One says switch to calendar and the other one that says switch to task. Simple click on that and you'll be able to see all of your tasks shown here. And here it shows all tasks. It's also showing tasks that are starred. You can also add those favorite tasks here as well. It's really up to you. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.